New WindBurner stove systems and accessory pots bring windproof performance to a wide range of group sizes and cooking styles. Now you can build a system that lets you cook a fast solo meal one weekend and a group feast the next. The WindBurner collection includes the original fast-boiling personal system, the two-person duo system, a group system, and a combo system with a skillet. A full line of modular accessory pots includes a new stock pot for large volume meals. Each system carries forward the award-winning WindBurner technology that allows it to deliver fast boil times and greater performance in backcountry conditions like wind and cold. The new systems feature a remote canister stove, compatible with all WindBurner pots and providing greater stability for larger pots. At the heart of the WindBurner's performance is its unique radiant burner, which is far more wind-resistant than conventional open-flame stoves. Each pot is engineered to enclose the burner to further block the wind and maximize heat transfer. In addition, an internal pressure regulator ensures the stove runs strong in colder temperatures. These technologies give the WindBurner a big advantage in the backcountry, where even a slight breeze or drop in temperature slows the competition down while the WindBurner continues to boil strong. That efficiency means you'll save fuel, so that each canister lasts longer. New WindBurner systems and pots are modular and nesting, allowing you to pack what you need for each adventure, whether that's a solo mission or an annual trip with friends. All the system pots are made of light, durable, hard anodized aluminum, making them easy to carry in the backcountry. The 2.5-liter group sauce pot and the skillet also feature a tough ceramic non-stick surface for easy cleanup. Designed to make real meals, these two pans feature a heat-capturing ring that blocks the wind while allowing the heat to spread evenly for simmering. The personal pot, duo pot, and 4.5-liter stock pot feature a powerful built-in heat exchanger that completely encloses the burner. These pots are perfect for boiling water fast for making pouch meals, brewing coffee, or making large volumes of hot water or soup. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness on solo adventure, with a partner, or with the whole family, WindBurner stove systems have you covered with the cooking versatility you want and the reliable windproof performance you need.